Karl Marx was born in Trier, Prussia, to a middle-class family. Both parents came from a line of rabbis and were Jewish. Shortly before Karl Marx was born, his parents converted to Christianity so Karl's father could continue practicing as a lawyer. In 1835, Karl Marx attended the University of Bonn, where he studied humanities and met his wife, Jenny. In 1836, Marx transferred to the University of Berlin, where he studied law and philosophy and was introduced to Hegelianism, which is the philosophical view that all reality can be expressed in rational categories. The Young Hegelians was a liberal group that opposed Prussian autocracy and critiqued Christianity. Due to poor grades, Marx applied for a doctoral degree in philosophy from the University of Jena. In 1842, Marx worked as an editor in Cologne for a liberal newspaper. The Prussian government closed the paper. In 1843, Marx moved to Paris and worked as an editor. In Paris, he met Friedrich Engels, who shared his economic and social beliefs. By 1844, Marx was expelled from Paris and moved to Brussels with his family and Engels. There, Marx studied economic history and predicted the collapse of capitalism and the rise of communism. In 1848, Marx published the Communist Manifesto, one of his most favorite pieces of writing. The Communist Manifesto advocated collective ownership of businesses and complete abolition of owning private property. It also called for a proletarian revolution. When revolutions across Europe broke out, Marx hoped they would be the end of capitalism and the beginning of communism. During the 1850s and 60s, Marx and his family lived in London, where Engels could run his business and help Marx financially. Marx wrote for the New York Daily Tribune to earn a little income. In 1867, Marx published the first volume of Capital, which argued for a proletarian revolution to replace capitalism with a socialist state, which would eventually lead to a communist state. Capital also described Marx's labor theory of value, which states that the price of goods and services should be determined by the amount of labor put into the good or service. Marx's creativity and writing slowed as he approached his death in 1883 due to poor health. He never saw the establishment of communist states such as the USSR and the People's Republic of China. He did not predict how insufficient these communist states were, which proves flaws in his theories. Though Marx's theories had some flaws, his contributions to economics are important today. Although capitalism is still alive today, as economic crises occur, some economists are taking another look at Marx's theories.